Hey everyone, my name is Oscar Moloi. As you can see here, I have my project. It's alarm clock with a temperature sensor. Here we have a buzzer. This is for notification when my alarm is on. Even the LED will light when my alarm is on. Then we have a thermistor here for temperature sensor. Here I have my DS1307. It's an IC for real-time clock. Even if you can turn my program off, you'll see we have a 3 volts battery here for backup of my RTC. I have my Arduino Uno board here. We have what do you call this, is potentiometer. It's 10k potentiometer for LCD contrast. I'm gonna turn it few, as you can see here my screen become blank. We have 3 push buttons here. It's for alarm clock. We have a mode setup. This is a setup. Then we have either we increase or we decrease the time when I set. Here's my jumper wires. Now I'm gonna show you how my temperature sensor works. This is my thermistor. Inside the plastic I have a piece of ice. As you can see, I'm gonna put it over my thermistor. Then my temperature is supposed to decrease gradually. As you can see, it's decreasing. Now I'm gonna remove my ice. Let my thermistor recover a bit. Then I'm gonna put a teaspoon from hot water. My temperature from now supposed to increase and gradually supposed to increase within few seconds. As you can see here, my temperature is increasing gradually. As you can see from top of my screen here, we have a time. Now I'm gonna set an alarm clock. As you can see here, it's 1704. Then I'm gonna make it 1705. Then supposed to set my alarm on. Then by 1705 my alarm supposed to go on. As you can see here, we have about 20 seconds waiting for my time. My buzzer will turn on. Even my LED will glow. Okay, let us give it a few seconds. As you can see, we have about plus or minus 10 seconds. Now it's 7 seconds. Okay, let us wait. It's 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Let us see the results. As you can see, my LED is on. My buzzer is blowing. Even my screen shows you my alarm is on. Thank you everyone.